How the hell he responded to that call? That's crazy,
Exactly.
Right? You 100.
Spence, you can go. Spence, you can go.
Can I come on top?
Yeah.
That's crazy. How you call 911? He responded.
Exactly.
Weird, right?
So what happened with her? Not talking about with him. What happened with her?
Well, okay. We was laying down. You know, doing that thing. Woo. Then a phone rings, so I picked it up. It was him.
Okay.
And that's how we got the argument.
See, the cop lied. From what I remember, the cop saying that that the boyfriend called him. That's what he said. Not that he called the girl and then that they was just doing whatever and then he answered the phone. That's not what the cop said, right? Am I lying?
That man punched me in the face. And I left and that was it. And I'm trying to figure out what they got going. So I got messages and everything between these two. I got locked up the first time between this shit, bro. But they backstage it. Trauma knows what's going on. They backstage it and everything, bro.
So what happened today?
Today, same thing. She got mad. She got mad because her phone ringing. Ain't gonna say her phone ringing. I had it. She let me see the phone. It ringing. It was him, so.
Okay, you answered the phone?
Yeah. And I said, damn. Because we talk like man to man. Don't get over this shit. Oh, I ain't doing that no more. Because she supposed to be pregnant or whatever and all this shit. So I'm feeling sorry. Let her see my car and everything. Her car down.
Do you live here?
Yeah, most definitely. My name on the lease.
Most definitely.
I'm the primary owner.
Primary.
So you live with her?
Head of house.